Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Unfortunately, Usibalukhulu is going to do something that is wrong. I could see by how he agreed, Uguti, no, I'm going to this thing with my wife and Uguti la, ibom izowa. Ibom izowa and ibom expectang. But we will see Uguti what is the bomb. And then, unomfundo bamdampile, guys. Nomfundo has been dumped because he decided to choose Usibalukhulu over the new bay. The new bay was like, this is done. This is enough. I cannot be competing with your ex. Like, it's just enough. So, guy, like, said, I bounce. Unomfundo was, nope. Over my dead body, you have to be with me. I'm the one that needs to dump you. We are called Lugutiena every time an opportunity avails itself or avalanche. He always chooses Usibalukhulu. Aisha uwarid ke uMrs Usibalukhulu phetheni because Usibalukhulu is nowhere to be found. I'm phoning ukuthi remember we've got something that we need to shoot, you need to be there and then Usibalukhulu was like no worries, I am going to be there. That's the way he responded showed me ukuthi he's going to sabotage uphetheni in whatever, but ke asazi ukuthi unomsabotage akubone lonke izwe or kanjani. Then Ugwenzo had to do the unthinkable and tell Usibongile ukuthi uyamthanda phambi kwa everybody. Buza ukuthi why? Because Usibongile ngisho ingqondo yakhe yena ayikwazi ukuzicabangela, like she needs to be helped to think. So after umngane ambonisile ukuthi phela i-profile picture ye-account kaKwenzo bani azange afuna ucheck ukuthi ukwenza uqina ukuphosta nini nani wathatheka wathi uyotshela ukwenzo maqeda lapho wa-announce wathi guys yini everyone campus, this is my woman ngiyamthanda, this and that bamrekhoda. Hayi vele Usibongile wathamba vele yazini waba utamatisi vele. So it means ukuthi hayi it's 0 on the friend and 1 on Kwenzo.